Hi friends, Merly here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. Today's video is an update on the garlic that were planted sometime in February and also the onions that we planted inside our old chicken run. So we have been raising chickens for over 5 years, and then last year we decided to let go of the chickens, and so we have this room where we used to hold the chickens, and then decided to plant them with garlic and some onions. And the date today is May 27th. So this was from a February planting, guys. Look at that. Our garlic has grown so big. The onions are kind of like falling over, but they look decent. The good thing about this is that this area does not really need fertilizer. The soil in here is very rich, and we can see that in the growth of our plants. Look at all of this garlic planted in February, but this garlic plants are looking really good. They're so big, they're so green, and they're just so healthy. Here we have our expressions onions. Let's see if we can find something that has a bulb already. This one has started bulbing. I think most of them I planted a little bit deeper than I should have, but overall the plants are okay. Yes, so if you have a nutrient-rich soil, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna have healthy plants, very nice looking plants. We have a lot of garlic in here. Most of this garlic, because they're really big, we are planning on letting them grow into a full bulb and harvest them whenever a third of the plant has died off. Now some of them, because I noticed that I planted double in each hole, or I planted some of them too close together, they're not gonna grow as big of a bulb that we want. So we will be harvesting them as green garlic. And we have been selling green garlic at the market. Here in our farm stand, not so much. Our customers here, they mostly like summer crops. So we sell like not lettuce. We sell tomatoes, squash, zucchini, cucumbers, things like that. But at the market, we have a lot more people who love to try new stuff, and have found some of our amazing customers who really like our green garlic. So yeah, we will be planting more green garlic in here. There's still a little bit room in this area. It's a little bit messy in here because I dropped all of the hay baskets and some pots in here whenever it got windy, so they don't get blown away. But yeah, we still have a little bit room that can hold some more garlic plants. So this is really an amazing area for planting. We are gonna be keeping the fence and this chicken wire covering, because we will be growing some vines. I'm not sure if we'll be growing beans here or maybe some bitter gourd. Alright guys, that's gonna be all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Have a great day and happy gardening.